Hello. Um, if you haven't known from before, I have posted some 3D models, and I really want to show you guys how I make Roblox models. For the base, of course, let's start with the base. Create your new file, and then head to Canvas, then turn off Show Canvas so it's blank. The one thing you need is obviously a mouse, and then let's start with the torso. You hold down your left mouse button and drag it to make this rectangle thing. You let it load, and then you can adjust it with these parts. But of course, we want to make it accurate, so change the color to gray. Um, You will need 3D view for this. You will use right mouse button, and then you can see it looks like a cube, but normal Roblox characters, they just have they're flattened. So I usually make this big. Apologies, my uh okay. We'll scale it down a little bit, and then let's copy, and then now let's paste it. Let's drag it to the side. Whoops. It usually does this sometimes. Let me fix it. There we go. Smaller, rectangular. Okay. Let me make it more gray. I don't like how it looks. Uh, Now let's copy and paste it. Uh, it just moved. Okay. You'll move it to the sides, and then we just make it slimmer. Make sure it's the same. Hop onto 3D view. Make sure it's the same length. You can adjust it how much you like, and then let's copy it again. Let's copy and then paste it. Oh, whoops. Let me check. Oops. Uh, Copy and paste. There we go. And then we just drag it to the other side. We're also gonna do the same thing for the legs because technically they're the same parts. Oh, and if they stick to the bottom, you can just hold down Shift to multi-select, drag it upwards. Uh, and now we drag this a little bit more, a little bit more up. Do the same for the next one. I don't know why it's like that. It's probably not gonna happen my more. There you go. Always check on different angles if it looks right, because you definitely don't want to look at one side and you turn to the side and it's really dark. Okay, let's make the head now. Let's go to 3D models again. Let's select the cylinder and then just create this shape. Takes a while. Okay, we just adjust it and then we shorten it so it kind of looks like this, or you can just drag it upwards. Depends. And then now whoops. Uh, oh, sorry, my dog's outside. This is a simple one, and then let's make the one where it's rounded on the top. Let's get the hemisphere, and then you can click once to summon normal hemisphere, and then now you can drag it on top, and then oh, yeah, this is what I was saying about how it might look different. Okay, on different angles. We drag it like this. It should look like a pill casing or bullet, but you want to make it flatter, like this. Obviously, when you flatten it, it might fix on the sides, so that's what you're gonna do. Sometimes it can look too flat, but this is perfect. This is perfect for me. Uh, let's copy and then paste. But this time we're gonna go here to rotate and flip vertically on the x-axis. Should look like bun. And then now it should look like this. You can use the arrow keys, so it's perfect. I don't really care about that right now. Let's multi-select, holding down Shift, and then we press group over here. Right now our head looks a little long, so we can use this to fix it a little bit. Oh, whoops. Now we can make something like this. Of course, we can have different shadings for this. You can change the colors by selecting this. We can make this. I don't know why it looks white. Just color this black. Um, yeah, it has some errors. I don't. I'm not that familiar. The guy from Dingus. And then now, oh, it's kind of weird. Obviously, you have to resize it until you like how it looks like. I'm perfectly fine for mine now. And then here comes drawing the face or anything technically. Drawing on group items don't look that good. Let me try this here. It should have that little split, but that's because it's kind of a pixel off. It can happen sometimes here, but let's draw the face. We're gonna name him Bob. We're gonna name him Bob. You can always go in 3D view to you can see it. Uh, it looks very ugly. um, we can also draw here like give him a star pin, and now the closing. Obviously, it should not be selecting anything. So now you can come with this. You can pose it like this. Of course, you can turn around the camera so you can change what it's gonna do. I don't know what I'm posing. Yep. And that's kind of like the for the really quick 7 minutes of talking and yapping how to do this. Okay, thank you.